Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going back to Pokemon and making an adorable Diglett cake. It's going to have delicious chocolate layers of cake, yummy fluffy chocolate buttercream, some Oreo crumbs, all in the middle of the cake, and it's going to be super cute. I'll be sure to throw a link to the recipe down below in the description, and stay tuned at the end of the video for more information on the 20 KitchenAid stand mixers giveaway. Now let's go ahead, preheat our oven to 350 degrees and get started on our chocolate cake so we can, bake them all or catch them all, bake them all. That's what I said last time, we gotta bake them all. So for our Diglett cake, we're gonna be using 2 cake pans. We're gonna have a 6-inch round cake pan. We're gonna be using this 3 times for our 3 chocolate cake layers. And then we're gonna be using Wilton's sphere cake pan. We're only gonna need 1/2, so you can put the other half back on your shelf or wherever you store it and keep it. And this is gonna be the head of our Diglett cake. So we're gonna have, a nice little 6-inch round Diglett body and a nice little sphere Diglett head. Now for our cake batter, we're gonna go ahead and take our mixing bowl, and into that we're gonna add in our butter and our sugar. And then we're gonna cream together until they're both light and fluffy on a medium speed for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then we're gonna go ahead and add in our eggs and our vanilla. And then continue to beat that butter mixture at a medium speed for another good minute. And once you have that light and fluffy butter mixture, go ahead and scoot that to the side. Grab another mixing bowl, and to that start adding in our flour, our cocoa powder, our baking soda, and our salt. And then give that a quick little whisk. So we have our butter mixture and we have our flour mixture. Now let's go ahead and slowly start to add in our flour mixture to our butter mixture while alternating with our water or our fresh brewed coffee. And be sure to start and end with the flour mixture. And on a low speed, we're gonna mix all these ingredients until our batter is nice and creamy. Then we're gonna go ahead and just pour our cake batter into our prepared pans. And then pop in the oven for a good 40 minutes or until your cake tester comes out clean. So for our Diglett cake, we're gonna be using 3 6-inch round cakes. Go ahead and level them out. Take your cake tops, put them in a bowl, set that aside. We're gonna be using that for later. But for now, let's go ahead and take our first layer of yummy chocolate cake and add on a generous amount of chocolate buttercream. And then we're going to sprinkle on some yummy chocolate Oreo crumbs. Now because we are going to be covering this whole cake with chocolate buttercream, and I did not think of this until now, we're going to go ahead and pipe on a chocolate buttercream border. This way all of our Oreo crumbs stay right inside the middle of our cake. Now we're going to go ahead and place our next layer of chocolate cake right on top of our buttercream and our Oreo crumbs. And then we're going to repeat. So we're going to add more chocolate buttercream and more Oreo crumbs. And then back on with our last layer. And more buttercream and more Oreo crumbs. Then we're going to go ahead and take our half sphere chocolate cake and gently press on top of our 6-inch round chocolate cake layer stack. Now to cover our Diglett with yummy, fluffy, delicious chocolate buttercream. So starting at the bottom of your cake, begin to pipe in an upward motion as you turn your cake turntable. And be sure to fill in the gaps between your cake layers. Now with your offset spatula or your bench scraper, we're gonna go ahead and smooth out this buttercream so we have a nice, smooth, delicious chocolate buttercream coating around our Diglett cake. So again, we're gonna gently press the offset spatula or our metal bench scraper against the buttercream, and while rotating your cake turntable, smooth out your buttercream so you're left with a smooth finish. And you just want to continue this motion from the bottom to the top of your cake. And once you smooth out all your delicious chocolate buttercream, you want to go ahead, pop your Diglett cake in the fridge for a good 10 minutes while you work on your fondant decorations. which is just eyes and a nose. So our cake is chilled in the fridge for a good 10 minutes, and I've already worked out the fondant decorations. Now let's go ahead and place them on our Diglett cake and bring it to life so it's adorable, it's cute, and we get to eat it. Now for our pink fondant nose, you might need a giant, like thick milkshake straw. Go ahead and just mold your pink nose around that. This way, when the fondant starts to firm up a little bit, it won't get really heavy and just, you know, plop off the cake. But we'll go ahead and take our pink nose and press that into our Diglett cake. With a tiny brush of water on the back of your fondant eyes, you want to gently press both eyes into the buttercream that covers the top sphere of your cake. And just like that, we have an adorable, super cute, super yummy looking Diglett cake. Now all that's left is to take those cake tops, crumble them up, and sprinkle them around our cake board. And we're going to sprinkle the chocolate cake crumbles here. This way our Diglett has a little bit of ground to, you know, play around in, because that's what Digletts do. They like to dig in the ground, make caves, and, you know, be Digletts. And just like that, in a couple of easy, super simple decorating steps, you have your adorable, super cute, super just adorable Diglett cake. I mean, we call it a Diglett. That's simple. Thank you guys for stopping by. I had so much fun making this Diglett cake today. I'm so happy with how it turned out. If you like baking videos and if you like Pokemon and you want to see more Pokemon cakes, definitely give this video a thumbs up, especially if you like Pokemon, because with this Diglett cake now, we have 149 more to go, so it's going to be a good old Pokemon time. And if you want more tasty recipes, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, so you don't miss out on any yummy treats I have coming up in the kitchen. Plus, I still have 20 KitchenAid stand mixers to give away. So, if you haven't already, be sure to enter down below. Link will be underneath the recipe. Once you enter the giveaway, you'll have 20 chances to win and lots of ways to enter. Lastly, don't forget, if you make this Diglett cake or if you make your own Pokemon-inspired cake, definitely give a tag on Instagram. You know, let me see what you're baking up in your kitchen. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna eat some Diglett cake, have some coffee, enjoy this weather before it starts to snow and get really cold. But I will see you all, as always, in the next video very soon. Bye.